Ever tried burping in space? Don't, you might regret it. On Earth, gravity keeps solids, liquids, and gases in your stomach separated. So when you burp, it's just gas coming out. Easy, right? But in space, there's microgravity. Everything just floats around inside you. That means when you try to burp, it's not just gas. It's a bubbly mess of liquid and gas, basically a wet burp. Astronauts actually avoid burping because they might end up barfing. NASA didn't train them for space reflux. So yeah, in space, hold your burps. Gravity's not got your back.